This is fit for a 2016 through 2018 and likely beyond Mercedes-Benz GLC with factory installed flush side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule AeroBlade Edge base roof rack system. The system is using the AeroBlade load bars in black with integrated legs. This front position is part number 7602B. This position has a usable bar spacing of 32 inches in between the feet. It connects to the flush side rails using complete fit kit number KIT 4068. Here we have the crossbars positioned at 28 inches from front to rear, center to center. This rear position is the 7601B, and it has 30 inches of usable bar space between the feet. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed, and there is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our website for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.